Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to clear your history on Rapid's wallet. If you want to clear your transaction history on Rapid's wallet, then the process is quite straightforward. So let's jump into the video. Open your Rapid's wallet application from your app drawer. Once you do that, go ahead and open up your wallet. Simply go ahead and type in your wallet password and tap on the unlock wallet option. Soon after you are logged into the wallet, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. In the settings menu, you will be able to see the clear transaction cache option at the very top. Tap on it in order to clear out your transaction history. So that's how easy it is to clear your history on Rapid's wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.